We're recording.
Okay, the first thing, this is the rear wheel of a 2012 Kia. First thing you want to do is you want to take 9/16. You want to remove these bolts that hold the brake caliper in. You undo these and you take those out, and then you slide the caliper off. You set that aside like that. Then you remove the brakes out. Pretty simple. You stick your screwdriver in there and you work them out, you know. These were the ones that was previously on there, and as you can see, there's a little bit of a difference, not much, but a little bit. Anyway, we're going to change them anyway. So you take these out, paying attention to how you had them, and then you slide those back in. You can replace these if you want. These are in good shape, so I'm not going to replace those. Then to put that back on, normally this is out quite a bit. So what you want to do is you want to take a clamp and you squeeze it down until it's back compressed in there. Once that's done, take the clamp off, slide the brake back over, making sure you get this on the other side. Drop it right in there. You take your screws, put your screws back in, get them started. Working those in like that. Tighten that down. Tighten this one down. Take your 9/16. Get them tight. And this brake is done. You save yourself from having to replace the rotor. Nice and smooth. And you have new brakes. It's probably about a $450, $500 job at the local station, and you can do it yourself for the price of the brakes. Now we put the tire back on, tighten up the bolts, and go to the next tire. Take your old brakes, move there, take your tire, woggle it back in there very gently. Holes lined up. Such as this. Your leg nuts. Got one at the top. Got one at the bottom. You can use air gun, or you can remove your safety stand. And when you lower it just a little bit. Enough to get back in there and give it final tightening. Don't have to be to the bone tight, just tight. Release there you go, one brake done.